Okay, now you see, SHIB is going nowhere. They added 250,000 more users despite this crypto winter. And by the way, the 250,000 users, that's within a year. So it's just not in 1 month. Let's talk more about this. Shiba is not going anywhere, and let's talk about this right now. My name is Adam Shelton, and thank you for watching this video today. And you are watching the ClearCryptos YouTube channel. Don't forget to like, comment, subscribe. The captain's here, and SHIB continues to deliver despite the challenges. Now, digital currencies are underperforming due to Fed's tightening of the monetary policies, series of major industry firms going bankrupt with Terra, Celsius, FTX, among others. But SHIB was like, listen, we're going to continue to produce despite all that, which is quite remarkable. 250,000 holders within a year. Okay, so let's backtrack a little bit. Now, in late November of last year, SHIB reached that 1 million holder milestone for the first time. They reached that really quick. Because remember, SHIB was created in 2020, like the fall of 2020. This comes shortly after it soared thousands of percent of all-time highs in late 2021 of October. Now, SHIB was a big winner in 2021, and boy, was they a big winner, rising by millions of percent. Do you remember that? Your Dogecoin, your SHIB, rising to percents in terms of not only holders, but the price as well. Now, according to WellStats, they are currently this many Shiba Inu holders, over 1.2 million, basically. That's a lot. This number was considerably higher in past weeks, sometimes reaching the mark of, or the million mark of 1.274. Therefore, on average, SHIB could be said to have added over 250,000 holders in the last 12 months. This is remarkable. And look at this right here. 56 of SHIB holders are in it for the long-term reasons. 56% saying, we ain't selling. We ain't selling right now. We're going to continue holding because we believe SHIB is part of the future of crypto. And adding this amount of many users, despite all the challenges in crypto, that's pretty remarkable. My name is Adam Shelton, and thank you for watching this video today. The captain's here, and you are watching the ClearCryptos YouTube channel. Don't forget to like, comment, subscribe. See you on the next video.